All right, we're now going to answer part B here, which says we need to determine the value of P in days that would create more than one critical path, The first thing that we have to realize here is that to have more than one critical path is going to mean that I'm going back both that way and that way, okay? I'm going that way and that way. That's the only way I can have more than one critical path. Now, in order for that to happen, what has to be true? Well, it means that there's going to have to be a critical path going that way first. How can I achieve this end? Well, I'm simply going to go 18 plus 5. 18 plus 5 is going to be 23. That means my minimum completion time has to be 23. Now, if I want a critical path also going through this way, what that's going to have to mean is that this number right here is going to have to be 23. That is what it's going to have to mean. It's going to have to be 23. Well, now, let's think for a moment. If we come up here, I know that this number is 7. 7 plus 10. 7 plus 10 is going to be 17 here. Well, 17 plus 4 is not going to get me to 21. What I need to think in my head is, all right, I need to get to 23. I need to add 4 to it. What does that number have to be? Well, that number has to be 19. It has to be 19 plus 4 is 23, which means this has to be 19 in order for that to be the early start time for K. In order for that to happen, I'm going to go, well, 18 plus 1 is equal to 19. 18 plus 1. So that means the time for I has to be 1 day. So I'm going to come down here and I'm going to go 1 day. So let's come here and let's write 1. And as you can see, that is my answer. Question 4B is 1. So really, what this question was really asking us to do, if you to kind of boil it down, what it was asking us to do is make this number 23. You know that this is 23 because 18 plus 5 is 23. Now, can you make this 23? Well, yes, this has to be 1 in order for that to occur. That's the thinking that's going on here. So it's really important that when you answer these questions, that you're thinking, what's it really asking me to do here? And that's really the aim of the game. All right, hopefully that has made sense. We'll now go on to the next one.